I'm gonna try to make a quick video about how this is all working. You got this chart here. It talks about these jumpers. So what I want to do is I want to have keyed ignition. So this is don't try this at home, kids. This is just a rough setup here. We got hot, neutral, whatever you want to call it, to the light. If I hit the switch, can you see how the light's going on in the background? That's why. So what they're saying in the instructions is if you put this one here, you're going to get both of them illuminated. But that's always hot. Anyone walks up to your side-by-side and hits that thing. This one here, now that's always on no matter what. Nothing's ever going to shut it off. That's what the instructions are telling you to do. All right, here we go. Here's what I'm trying. Disconnecting all that. Built myself a jumper. It's one long, sorry, two short. So we're just gonna, it's like 6 of one, half dozen of the other, right? So we're just gonna stick this guy here, if we can, lightly. Make sure that's off. Stick that other jumper. All right, so these are the factories. Disconnected all that. They're not hooked to anything, the reds. So we got jumper to jumper to jumper. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is obviously not the way you want to try this. I'm just trying to figure it out. All right, so if I touch this to this should turn the bottom light on. So imagine that this is my keyed ignition. Keys on, keys off. Keys on, keys off. Keys on. Well, I got a shit connection. All right, keys on. Keys off. See how that works? We'll try to get a better connection on this thing. It's kind of sketchy, I know. Try not to rush me too hard. So there are the keys on, keys off. So it's keyed power, 12 volt accessory power. Boom. Does that make sense? Is everybody understanding this, what I did? I just built a jumper from the number 2 over to the 5, 6 area, whatever. And I disregarded these. Now, you probably could just cut that, use those as your jumper, and then splice your light into there. But that's my solution. I watch a lot of videos. Everyone's explaining how relays. I don't care how a relay works. I don't care about any of that. I want to know, how do I make it work? That's all. This is what we're doing. We're on a Honda. So we've got the light bar up there, bright as goddamn hell. I'm going to the keyed ignition, and then these two are just going to go to straight battery power, straight ground. Super simple, right? My 12 volt accessory, you're going to go tap into those two. There's a solution to the internet. I looked for 3 days. I couldn't find that easy, just basic. Like, what do I got to do to make this work? Everyone's like, oh, this is how I relay. Let me draw you a diagram. Like, I don't care. Just show me how it works. You're welcome. You are welcome. That's what everybody wants to know. Ha! Like and subscribe. Jesus Christ. Why do I have to figure everything out myself? Stay safe. Thanks for watching.